Welcome to another edition of A New Me, your weekly consultation with the Washington, D.C. area's best doctors and professionals. Our guest experts help you learn about the latest medical advances and procedures by providing you with the real information necessary to help you eliminate the dangers of making the wrong medical and cosmetic enhancement decisions. Get ready for your consultation. When we come back, we'll be on location at the Dental Implant and Cosmetic Center in Washington, D.C., discussing the benefits of a full mouth rejuvenation and how it can give you a healthy and beautiful smile with one of this area's top implant and cosmetic dentists, Dr. Sheila Yazdani. Dr. Yazdani is a member of the American Academy of Implant Dentistry, the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, the Dental Organization for Conscious Sedation, the Academy of General Dentistry, and she has also received extensive dental training at the world-renowned Las Vegas Institute for Advanced Dental Studies. Welcome, Dr. Yazdani.
Well, thank you for having me.
Oh, it's our pleasure to have you with us today. We were really looking forward to having you on to discuss the benefits of receiving a full mouth rejuvenation and all that that entails. However, I wanted to see if you could first begin by telling us what it is.
Well, full mouth rejuvenation is a term that we use when a patient is interested in making a dramatic change in their appearance without going through braces or plastic surgery. So it's ideal for patients that the idea of going to braces is not appealing to them at all.
And what are the typical problems that it would correct?
Typically, full mouth rejuvenation can correct broken teeth, missing teeth, gaps. If a patient has an uneven bite, a cross bite, overbite, and it can give them the ideal look that they're looking for.
And what are the benefits compared to, say, other dental options?
The benefits of a full mouth rejuvenation is that our adult patients get to get straight, white teeth in a very short period of time. Mostly it's in 2 visits.
Oh, so basically you're looking at a substantial savings in time, and especially for busy professionals and folks out there. You're talking about only, what, maximum 2 visits?
Exactly.
To get literally the equivalent of a smile makeover and a good, healthy dental makeover done in maximum 2 settings.
Exactly.
And what would be the typical length of time that one will be looking at from when they come in to the dentist to have a full mouth rejuvenation done until when it's completed?
Well, typically in our office, what we would like is that we'd like the patient to come in for a meet and greet appointment. At that visit, we get to sit with them and discuss their options and what is it that they want and they're looking for. And then from there on, we will create a personalized plan for the patient. And in the next visit or subsequent visit, when they come in, they get to see the prototype of what their smile is going to look like at the end. So, they won't be surprised.
No surprises.
No surprises at the end. And then typically when we start the procedure from the first visit to the last visit where they actually get the teeth, it's between 2 to 3 weeks period of
so
time.
we're not looking at a lot of time here at all.
Yes.
Not to mention only a couple of visits tops.
Exactly.
Now, what kind of results can be expected?
The type of results that these individuals or patients can expect is an improvement in their health, comfort, and appearance of their smile.
So we're looking at a complete scenario there. It's not just focused on one treatment option or some work that may be needed, but the full mouth through it, I should say, this option, one can not only have a much better smile, but also a healthier smile and mouth.
Exactly.
And I believe you have some patient before and after pictures you'd like to show us?
Yes, we do.
Let's take a look.
This is an interesting story because the person is a very attractive individual, which she has told us because of fear factors and just avoiding the health of her mouth. She hasn't gone to the dentist for a long, long time. And over the years, the appearance of the smile had made her be less social, to smile less. And one of the things that she had actually told us is that because of that, people think that she does have an attitude. And she have noticed that, she's not being as social as she wants to be. The interesting part about her was that she brought a little picture of a smile that she liked, that she clipped out of the magazine, and asked us to, if we could, go ahead and give her that smile. When we looked at her smile, we noticed a lot of missing teeth, spaces in her mouth, misaligned and misshaped teeth, and we were able to correct all of those for her. Now, as you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, this is the final results on her smile, and we were able to close the space that was in front of her mouth, align her teeth properly so that she has a more aligned bite, and also shape the teeth so that it does match her smile, her profile. And so in essence, we were able to give her a more healthier looking smile, which is also, it's very attractive. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is a retracted view of the patient's dentition, or the whole teeth that she had in her mouth. And as you can see, over the years, with just the fact that they hadn't been able to get proper care, they have broken down teeth. They have the front tooth there that's completely broken from the root. They have a lot of missing teeth in the back on the lower arch, and a lot of crowding that is present in the front of the mouth there. And when we looked at her bite was completely misaligned, so we had to actually work with her to get a more aligned and comfortable bite for her. We were able to place implants in her mouth where she was missing the teeth. We were able to align her bite properly, and also restore her teeth with porcelain where she had all the broken and misshaped teeth. And essentially, as you can see, again, we were able to achieve a much healthier look for her than what we started with. And she's very, very happy.
Some very impressive work, Dr. Yazdani.
Thank you.
Now, how long do these results last? What are we looking at typically?
Well, these results last for a long time, considering that the patient does keep up a good home care and also, keep up their hygiene appointments. Just like your own teeth, if anyone doesn't take care of their teeth, they can lose them as well.
That's right. One has to maintain them. It's not just a quick fix and then you go back to doing whatever put one's mouth in that bad condition in the first place,
exactly,
right?
Exactly.
Now, are there any special patient instructions or restrictions?
Well, surprisingly enough, there's no restriction. Once the mouth is restored, there's no restriction. And there's no special instruction. As I said, we always ask the patient to go ahead and brush them, floss them, clean them, keep them clean. And also, please keep your 4 to 6 month hygiene appointments. And, as always, don't chew anything hard, with your teeth as well.
Of course, of course. Now, in the few moments that we have left, I have to ask you if you have any final thoughts that you'd like to share with us.
Definitely. A lot of patients are not confident with their smile, whether it's being a broken tooth, stained, chipped tooth, missing teeth. And what my suggestion would be is that make sure that whoever you go to, they have special training in cosmetic, in extensive full mouth rejuvenation, so that they can give you the result that you are looking for.
Well, on that note, I want to thank you, Dr. Yazdani, for joining us and being a guest today on A New Me.
Well, thank you for having me.